Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to create BAK file in SQL Server Management Studio. So first here, let's open this place SSMS. So this here, SSMS 20, that's currently using Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Now let's quickly connect with database engine. Then here you can see this database, user created database and system database. So there I'm going to create the BAK file for user or defined database. So right click there, then go in task, and here you can see this here backup option. You can get this place. So let's click on this backup option, and this here you can see at this location C program files, then Microsoft 16, then this backup JIT.BAK file is going to create. So here you can select the database and backup type full. Here you have this option and database file group. So file group is there, you can see. So this I'm not going to select. Here database, that's fine, and this is on URL you can give also. So here you can add the URL, or let's give the disk. So you can also transfer this BAK file by using the disk. You can use the email or any service to send this file anywhere. So this is the JIT.BAK. After that, simply you need to click on this OK button. Now you can see the backup of database JIT completed successfully. And now click on this OK. So the file that's created on, let's go on this C drive, then program file, here Microsoft SQL Server, then this here 16, then MS SQL, this here backup you can see JIT.backup that's created on this date and time BAK file. After that, this BAK file you can send anywhere, or you can use any server, or you can use any system. So this is the most simplest way we can create BAK file.